Now it's the sun's turn to torture them. The deck heats up to 1,000 degrees. Everyone's barefoot, everyone's screaming. They jump into the water to cool off. Then, bam! Jellyfish attack. Laser gets stung. Tariq screams, Jimmy laughs, Nolan cries. Ocean 47 YouTubers. 0. Final day, the rescue. They made it, barely. It says 7 days of bug bites, bird betrayals, and chili-fueled tears. A boat appears on the horizon. A real boat. They scream, they cry. They throw their arms up like castaways in a movie. The boat comes closer. Brian swoops in for one last goodbye. The raft is wrecked. The crew is exhausted. But they did it. This is beast mode. This wasn't just a challenge. It was a full-blown ocean nightmare. They faced storms, starvation, nasty water, explosive chili,